1, 2, 3, go!
Hey guys, so today we are in Dover-Foxcroft, Maine at the Maine Whoopie Pie Festival. I've never been to this before, so this should be interesting.
Hey guys, so we're back from the Whoopie Pie Festival. We got some goods.
We got a whoopie pie haul for ya. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to name what they're called, and then we're going to show you, and then we're going to try a couple of them. I think we're going to start with mine. Mine is the coconut caramel from Grant's Bakery. It's in Lewiston. And I sat on it a little bit, so it's a little bit smushed, but I'm ready to try it.
Well, since I am gluten-free, I am going to eat my gluten-free original Whoopie Pie. I did have some samples that were not gluten-free. I already have a headache from it.
Fun fact, she's gluten intolerant, I'm lactose intolerant.
And together we're...
Something.
3,
2,
2, 1. Oh my goodness.
This is so good.
What flavor is yours again?
Caramel coconut.
Oh.
I want to try a piece.
Sure.
And then we have this one. We bought this one for our mother. It's peanut butter whoopie pie from Sweets Market.
I still can't get over that only in Maine you'd have a whoopie pie like
Festival.
or a festival just like devoted to whoopie pies.
Like, I'm not even kidding. There was a couple thousand people there.
Literally just devoted to whoopie pies.
I had a really weird, we got to try some samples there, and I had one called Airhead whoopie pie, and it was green and pink, and it tasted like an airhead. There was a whoopie pie that tasted like an airhead. This next one we have is a black raspberry whoopie pie from Steve's Snacks Bakery. And then we got an original one from Steve's Snacks Bakery. We decided we'd go around and see what we could find for a really weird flavored pie and try for you guys. Bikini zucchini. Yeah, try saying that 5 times fast.
Bikini chocolate zucchini whoopie pie.
That was not 5 times fast. That was once fast. And that's from Sweetie Pies.
1, 2, 3, go! Interesting.
It has chocolate chips in it.
Not terrible.
It's not bad. I didn't like the first.
Yeah, I didn't like the initial first taste. That was really weird. I didn't know what to think, but it's actually not terrible.
It's actually not that bad.
But not as good as that one. But
yeah, I like my this one win. It's interesting. For sure. She's just shoving them.
come to Maine.